In the heart of technological advancements, Burdwan is experiencing a boom in mobile app development services. Join us as we explore the significance of this digital evolution. Mobile app development services involve a combination of design, coding, testing, and deployment. Let's break down the key stages that bring innovative and functional mobile apps to life. Ideation and planning are crucial. This stage involves defining objectives and creating a strategic plan, laying the foundation for a successful app development journey. User interface and user experience design ensure visually appealing and intuitive interfaces, enhancing user engagement and satisfaction. Skilled developers work on the app's backend, building servers and databases, while front-end developers implement the UI design for seamless navigation. Rigorous testing is conducted to identify and fix bugs, ensuring optimal performance and enhancing the overall user experience. Once the app is ready, it's deployed to app stores, and regular updates and maintenance are performed to ensure compatibility with evolving technologies. Professional app development services are crucial for expertise, security, and industry best practices. A trusted partner like ABLION can save time, resources, and deliver a high-quality end product. In the thriving tech industry of Burdwan, ABLION stands out. With skilled developers, designers, and strategists, they are a trusted provider of innovative and tailor-made app solutions. ABLION offers a comprehensive range of mobile app development services, including Android, iOS, React, and web app development, catering to diverse business needs. Opting for a local company like ABLION in Burdwan brings advantages: easier communication, cultural alignment, quick turnaround, and cost-effectiveness. Choosing the right app developer is crucial. Factors like experience, portfolio, technical skills, communication, and budget play key roles in ensuring success.